students, welcome to my class Easy Maths JYOTHI.I.S.B.Sc. It's a class for 6th standard students, CBSE, NCERT solutions and also for Karnataka state syllabus. Here, this is the third chapter, playing with numbers in the exercise 3.2. Before solving the exercise 3.2, let us have some knowledge about the prime numbers and composite numbers. Children, come and tell me, what are prime numbers? Do you know any numbers, method of numbers? Yes, you know the counting numbers along with even numbers and odd numbers. Up to here you have studied about what are even numbers and what are odd numbers. But in this class you are going to study about the what are prime numbers. It's very important knowledge for the next years or further classes. This is the basic knowledge. You should learn about this up to 10th standard or up to PUC. You should have the knowledge about this prime numbers. This is, listen carefully students. Yesterday we did some divisions or factors and multiples, isn't it? For every numbers we are having the factors, isn't it? Yesterday we got the how to find the factors for the numbers, isn't it? In that, some numbers having the factors only one are some numbers having the factors as one and as also the number itself. Only two factors. Some numbers having only two factors which are one and number itself. Let us understand about this. What are the prime numbers? The prime numbers are the numbers which are having the factors as one and number itself. Let us consider 2. It is a number. The factors of 2 are, it is divisible by 2 and also it is divisible by 2. It is having only 2 factors. If we consider 3, the factors of 3 are, it is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by 3. Okay, let us consider one more number, 5. This number is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by 5. These numbers, like these numbers which are having the factors, only 2 factors. The numbers which are having 2 factors along with 1 and number itself. All these numbers having the 2 factors, or the 2 factors are 1 and along with the number itself. Such numbers are called the prime numbers. Understood students? The prime numbers are those numbers which are having only 2 factors. Those are 1 and number itself. Understood? I hope you got. Okay? If you consider 7, it is 1 and 7. Therefore, 2, 3, 5, 7. If you take 13, for this, 1 is it is divisible by 1. After that, it is divisible by only 13. It is having only 2 factors. In that factor, 1 is there along with the number itself. If you take after 13, we can take 19. It is having 1 and 19. Okay, any number which is having only 2 factors, in that 1 and number itself are called prime numbers. I hope you got it. Next, what are composite numbers? Composite numbers are those numbers which are having more than 2 factors. It is easy to understand. The composite numbers are those numbers. Children, are you following? It's a very basic knowledge for you. What are composite numbers? The composite numbers which are the numbers which are having more than 2 factors are called the composite numbers. For example, 4. It is the factors of 4 are, it is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2 and it is also divisible by 4. How many factors are there, students? 3 factors. Okay, students? Okay, children. Let us move on to the next. Any number you can take 10. Okay, the factors of 10 are: it is divisible by 1, and it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 5, and it is divisible by 10. So, how many factors are there? Okay, students, children, are you getting? Yes, 4 factors. If you consider any number 25, okay, it is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by 5. After that, it is divisible by 25. Therefore, it is having how many factors, students? It is having 3 factors. The numbers which are having more than 2 factors are called the composite number. Okay, least composite number is least composite number is 4. Okay, but least prime number is 2 only. Okay, the least prime number, while studying the prime numbers, the least prime number is 2. Here we are other than 1 we have to consider. Okay, students, here least prime number is 2 and here least composite number is 4. Here it's having the number which is having only 2 factors. Here the number which is having more than 2 factors. Now let us come to the exercise 3.2. What is the sum of any 2 odd numbers? Here given the question that what is the sum of any 2 odd numbers? Odd numbers. You know that even numbers and odd numbers. The odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and then 11. Like this, the order 11, 13, like that. When we add any 2 numbers, is it an even number or an odd number? We have to tell. What is the sum of any 2 odd numbers? Let us consider any 2 odd numbers, 3 and 5. If we add any 2 odd numbers, we will get, it is a even number. Okay, it's an example. Okay, and then let us go to next. 7 plus 11. 7 is an odd number, 11 is an odd number. If we add this, we will get 18. It is also a even number. Let's move on to next. 11 plus 17. That is equals to 8 plus 28. We add 10 plus 28. 28, that is also even number. From these examples, we came to know that when we add any 2 numbers, we will get even number. Okay, students? Children, are you getting? When we add any 2 numbers, we will get even number. What happens when we add any even numbers? Any 2 even numbers. Okay, starts from list. 2 plus 4, that is equals to 6. It's an even number. Okay, next. 6 plus 8, that is equals to 40. It's also an even number. And then go for higher numbers. 20 plus 40, that is equals to 60. It is also an even number. If you check for some more even numbers, we will get, when we add any 2 even numbers, we will get even number. Students, are you getting? Yes. Next. Third question. I am going to third. The second one is not did. Third one. The numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. We know that the number 13 is and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits. Understood? 1 and 3 is there. In 13, 1 and 3 is there. And also in 31, 1 and 3 is there. Okay, both are having the same digits. Find such pair of prime numbers up to 100. Up to 100 you have to write such a pair of numbers. Like that 13 and 31. both should be prime numbers. After 13, check it for 14. 14. After next 15, 16, 17. 17 is a prime number for 17 and 71. 17 and 71 both are prime numbers. Okay students. And here the two digits are 1 and 7 is used. Here 1 and 7 are used. Next, move on to next like that. Check it for, you have to go one by one. If you check it, you will get for 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 is a prime number. Check it for 32. 32 is a composite number. You should not take. Like that you have to check. You will get the next number is 37. 37 is a prime number. The reverse of this, that is 73, is also a prime number. Okay students, here the digits used are 3 and 7. Next, like that you have to move up to 50, you will get the numbers after 37, 38, 39. 39, if you check for 39, 3 and 9, that is not a prime number because 33 is a 39. Go for 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Like that you should check. Up to there you will get 79 and 97. 79 and 97. These two are the numbers 79 and 97. These two are the prime numbers which are having the same digit. It is in reverse order. Next problem is, what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? Greatest prime number between 1 and 10. Okay, 1 and 10. We have a question after that. Okay, let us come to the end of my class. I will continue it in the next class. Okay, keep watching my videos and do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.